G'day campers, welcome to Metro RV, and well, it's one of our sort of favourites. It's brand new, second hand. Van was purchased, circumstances, basically illness has led to the van was stored, undercover to my ad, and never used. So 20 foot Franklin core razor pack, which I've been advised possibly could have come in very handy this morning, but 20 foot van, absolutely loaded with everything that's, well, your bare essentials for camping these days. So let's have a walk around. So we've got a bonus of 2 boots with this one. We've got a 3/4 tunnel boot. Now nice and beautiful checker plate black front. Got a tunnel boots over there. We've got a front boot here. All your jack, solar panel controllers, house battery, projector inbuilt battery charger. Got the bonus of 2 gas bottles, nice big nice chunky ones up the front. Now, absolutely gorgeous van. Again, it is brand new. Hot water system, wind guard, all televisions, everything's included. We'll get to the rear. There's a very nice van inside this one. Solar panel. I did say 20 foot. Tier weight, so as it sits, 2025 kg, got a payload of 400, so you can tell with a Frado, just under 2.5 ton ATM. Now, is that a number plate light or is that a bowl opener? So I'm not sure if that's my inner imagination running nice and early. It's about 9:30 and about 11 degrees, so I'm not sure it should be thirsty, but that's another conversation we can have another day. Beautifully mounted rear spare, absolutely stunning van. So roller rocker suspension, sit beautiful behind the 4-wheel drive, external mount table. Now let's get to the good stuff. So we've got a huge, and I mean huge front Queen Island bed, taller folk, bed extender, absolutely beautifully done. Now, for people that are sick of everything that's grey and charcoal and all that sort of stuff, we've got something here that's quite nice, and I love it. Some natural wood tones going through it, very neutral van. Entertainment's covered, we've got a roof-mounted TV, wall-mounted TV, DVD, CD player. Well, you'll be free-falling with absolute pure happiness when you leave here with all the money you save buying a new van. Now, again, huge sink. Now look, there's one thing that this van is absolutely spectacular. So storage is in a different league. There's some beautiful, beautiful drawers. The van's fully geared out. So we've got a full oven. Again, I emphasise this van has never been used. Big two-door fridge, and may I add, it's got a light, which they don't always do. I'll turn it up in a second. There you go, keep your finger on it. Nice microwave, so again, all the things are in there. Now, beautiful dinette. Now, people wondering what this is. This is your little pillow? No. Now, this van's got some great little options. So, I better keep my feet off it, but steak and chips, runny egg please love, kick back with a book. Look, this thing gives you the flexibility of everything, not just that, but you've got a seriously nice drawer under here. Again, I can't emphasise the colours in here are very, I forgot to turn the light on, very relaxed, beautiful acrylic splashback, huge sink. Now, massive shower, beautiful ensuite. Again, the acrylic splashback coming through, wall mounted little mini washing machine. That's pretty much, I'm not sure you can throw too much more into a caravan. Crazy value here campers, 49,777, tow away, no more to pay. Happy to give you a 12-month warranty on this one. So like I said, it's a brand new van. Sort of new, but sort of not. Metro RV, thanks for looking. Let us help you get out of town.